Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They were not liberal in their outlook. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They were also sworn enemies of each other. They constantly fought against each other with the result that the people suffered and were harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safety even in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. They loved only their Jagirs and not their country. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. There was misrule everywhere. People were tired of this oppression and were very unhappy. शिवाजी महाराजांनी महाराष्ट्रात स्वराज्य निर्माण केले. स्वराज्य म्हणजे स्वतःचे राज्य. महाराजांपूर्वी सुमारे 400 वर्षे महाराष्ट्रात स्वराज्य नव्हते. महाराष्ट्राचा बराचसा भाग अहमदनगरचा निजामशहा आणि विजापूरचा आदिलशहा या 2 सुलतानांनी आपसात वाटून घेतला होता. ते मनाने उदार नव्हते. ते प्रजेवर जुलूम करत होते. या दोघांचे एकमेकांशी हाडवैर होते. त्यांच्यात नेहमी लढाया होत. त्यात रयतेचे हाल होत. रयत सुखी नव्हती. उघड उघड उत्सव करणे, पूजा करणे धोक्याचे झाले होते. रयतेला पोटभर अन्न मिळत नव्हते. राहायला सुरक्षित निवाराही नव्हता. सगळीकडे अन्याय माजला होता. महाराष्ट्रात ठिकठिकाणी देशमुख, देशपांडे इत्यादी वतनदार होते. पण रयतेकडे त्यांचे लक्ष नव्हते. देशावर त्यांचे प्रेम नव्हते. प्रेम होते फक्त वतनावर, जहागिरीवर. वतनासाठी ते एकमेकांशी भांडत, आपापसात लढत. त्यात रयतेचे खूप हाल होत. या साऱ्या गोष्टींमुळे रयत त्रासून गेली होती. सगळीकडे अंधाधुंदी माजली होती.